I don't know where you're coming from. I don't know your story, your scars, your battles behind closed doors, or the weight you've carried for years. And I don't even know where you're going, what mountain you're climbing, what dream you are chasing. But one thing I know for sure is that you're gonna get there. Because the moment you say, Doda kusvika apa, Doda kusvika chete, when you told yourself, I want to achieve greatness, right there, right in that moment, the game changed. Life isn't about waiting for signs. It's about making decisions, real ones, bold ones, and scary ones. You look in the mirror and you ask yourself, what do I want? Am I done playing small? Am I ready to rise after every fall? And if the answer is yes, then no doubt about it, UNOSVIKA CHETE. Because greatness doesn't need perfection, it just needs direction. It needs that fire inside your belly, that hand in there no matter what energy, that I'm tired of just surviving. It's time to start thriving, that kind of vibe. Yes, people may doubt you. Yes, your past may try to hold you back. But guess what? You are not your past. You are your decision. So keep walking, keep pushing, keep speaking life in your journey. You have made a choice. Now you got to make the move. Because you're going to get there. And when you do, they will ask how you did it. And you smile and say, I made a decision and I never look back. UNOSVIKA CHETE.